first of all the practice problem number 5. Question number 2, it was doubt, and the question is, the catapult throw a stone of a mass 0.10 kg with velocity of 30 meter per second square. If 25% of the potential energy of elastic band is wasted in transmission, then you have to find the total potential energy. Whenever the mass and velocity is given, then you can find kinetic energy. When the mass and velocity is given, both are in SI unit. So kinetic energy is 1/2 of mv square. 1/2 of mass is 10 upon 100. V square यानी 30 into 30. V square. 0 0 0 0 cancel. 3 3s are 9. 90 by 2, that is 45 joule is kinetic energy. Okay. Now you have to find the potential energy. How? Initially the catapult is stretched and the rubber band is in stretched position. Means this position and as a configuration, the energy stored inside the catapult is potential energy. When you release, then the potential energy of the elastic band is converted into kinetic energy. But in the question it is given that the 25% of the potential is wasted, potential and 25% potential energy is wasted, and remaining is converted into kinetic energy of the stone. So initially, what was initially? Kinetic energy or potential energy? Potential energy. Okay. Let the potential energy is x joule. Potential energy is x joule. And out of 25% is wasted. Then 75% is converted into kinetic energy. Okay. 25% is wasted and remaining is converted into kinetic energy. So x is total. But x is 75%. Potential energy is 75% and 25% wasted. So is converted into kinetic energy. The potential energy is x, 75 upon 100, and kinetic energy is 45. So x is 45 into 100 upon 75. 25 4s are 25 3s are. 3 1s are 15 4s are 60 joule was initially the potential energy was there, but out of 15 joule was wasted and 45 joule, 60 joule, total 60 joule, and 45 joule is converted into kinetic energy, and 15 joule was converted is wasted because it's a 25%. Okay. Body of mass 4 kg. Number 6. A body of mass 4 kg is moving with velocity meter per second. Find the ratio of its initial and final kinetic energy. Initial and final kinetic energy if the mass is doubled, and velocity is tripled. Okay. Now to section. Initially You have to find the ratio initially and final. Initial and final. Okay, initially the mass m1, initial mass m1 is 4 kg, and initially means v1, velocity is 4 meter per second. So you have to find the ratio of kinetic energy. So initial kinetic energy, so kinetic energy is 1/2 of mv square, is 1/2 of mass is 4 and velocity is 4 into 4 because its velocity square. 2s are 4 4s are 16, 16 2s are 32 joule initial kinetic energy. Now final kinetic energy yani 2, velocity 2, so kinetic energy 2. Kinetic energy, if the mass is double yani 4 into 2, mass is double, and velocity is tripled yani 4 3s are 12 and 4 2s are 8. So kinetic energy is 1/2 of mv square, 1/2 of mass is 8 and velocity is 12 into 12 is 2 6 are 48 into 12. Okay, is kinetic energy 2. Now you have to find the ratio of initial and final kinetic energy, yani initial kinetic energy and final kinetic energy. Initial kinetic energy is 32 and final kinetic energy is 48 into 12. 16 2s are 3s are 2 6 are yani 1/18. So 1:18 the ratio is 1:18 initial kinetic energy and final kinetic energy ratio. It's very simple. Practice problem number 6. No second. A bullet of a mass (0.2 kg) moving with velocity 200 meter per second strikes a stationary wooden target. Strikes a stationary wooden target. Of mass 5 kg. If all the energy transferred means no energy wasted, all the energy transferred, all the energy of the bullet is transferred to the stationary wooden target. Energy transferred. Calculate the velocity of the target. Calculate the velocity of target. Move in a forward direction. Any two parts, its bullet and target. જેના પર આપણે આવું સર્કલ હોય ને, હવે અલગ અલગ સર્કલ્સ ડ્રો કરેલા હોય. Target. Bullet of a mass 0.2 kg and its velocity is 200 meter per second. So kinetic energy is 1/2 of mv square is 1 1. Okay. So kinetic energy 1/2 of 2 into 0.2 by 10 into velocity and 200 into 200. 2 cancel, 0 cancel. 2 2s are 4, 3 zeros. That is 4000 joule. यानी the kinetic energy of the bullet is 4000 joule, but all the kinetic energy when the bullet strike to the target, then all the kinetic energy of the bullet is transferred to the target. So the kinetic energy of the bullet is gained by kinetic energy. So target comes in motion. જ્યારે બુલેટ ટાર્ગેટને અથડાય ત્યારે સ્ટેશનરી હતું, પણ જેવું બુલેટ છે આ ટાર્ગેટને અથડાય તો એ પણ થોડું હલે. So comes in a motion. But it is said in the questionમાં કહી દીધું છે કે all the energy of the bullet is transferred, no energy waste. So the kinetic energy, it becomes the kinetic energy of the bullet also, that is 4000 joule. આની એનર્જી બધી ટાર્ગેટને મળી છે. And target of a mass is 2 is 5 kg. Then you have to find calculate the velocity, यानी target कितनी velocity थी पाछड़ जाए. You have to find is v2. So the kinetic energy is 1/2 of mv square is 4000 is 1/2. Mass is 5 into v square. So 4000 into 2 by 5 is v square. 5 8s are 40. 8 2s are 1600 is v square. So v is equal to 4 4s are 16, यानी 40 meter per second. यानी v2, that is the velocity of the target in forward direction. 40 meter per second. Okay. Practice problem number 7. A body has kinetic energy P. If the mass of the body increases, if mass of body increases 25 times, calculate the velocity. Velocity if the kinetic energy remains same. If kinetic energy remain same, and initial and final kinetic energy is same. So initially and finally